Sandra Sensations. I'm going to be doing an open cup pour today, and what it is a plastic cup with the bottom cut out, and I'm going to be doing two different sizes, smaller size and larger size. I'm going to have three of them on, two small ones and one big one on the canvas, and pour some color in and see what happens. I've done this once before, but I hadn't videotaped it, so this will be new. And I also did not put the white on first. I usually have that prepped and ready to go. But this time I figured, what the heck, I'll just start right from the very beginning. And I forgot to put my microphone on. Bear with me here for 2 secs. I keep forgetting to put my microphone on. There we go. Now everybody should be able to hear me. Thanks for joining me again. And if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. You won't miss any videos that way, and it'll be much appreciated. So I'm just going to squirt the white acrylic. I have it pre-mixed with glue and water, so it's 50% white acrylic paint, and then my glue and water mixture is mixed together 50-50, so I add the glue and water mixture to my white, and away we go. So I'm just going to spread this white around a little bit and put my glasses on my eyes so I can see what I'm doing. This is just going to be a light layer because there's going to be quite a bit of paint poured on here for the open cup pour. So this is just my starting base to help keep the paint moving. Just spread it quickly over here, trying to get the corners as well covered. Let it pour over the edge. And I'll give it a little torch to get some of the bubbles out as well. But again, it's just a light layer that's going down. Doesn't even have to be even because it's going to be a lot more paint going on here. There we go. Just give this off a quick little wipe off. Grab my torch. And I'll finish off the sides after I'm done my painting, because quite a bit of this paint is going to come off the sides, I'm sure. Okay, so the big guy is going, so I'm going to do a couple of puddles first. Where I want my cups to sit. This one's going to be a bit bigger. I'll give that a quick little torch as well. There we go. And that's just to get the bubbles out. Okay, so my big guy is going to go right here. This guy is going to go here. And this one's going to go here. Now the colors I'm going to do on each side in the small cups is going to be mint green, my metallic peacock pearl, and deep turquoise. So that's on both of these sides, as long as I don't screw up when I'm pouring, but that's my plan. The middle one is going to be my cerulean blue, pearl metallic, and also my deep sapphire metallic. So I'm going to start with that middle one first, and we're going to do the metallic deep sapphire. Then I'm going to do my cerulean blue, metallic pearl, ooh, that's what we wanted to have happen. Then I'm going to go back to my sapphire again, cerulean blue, and a little bit more of my pearl. Okay, we'll let that do its thing. Now these two small cups, I'm going to start with my deep turquoise first. Actually, I'll leave that one out. I'm going to do my mint green. If I can get the lid off. And then my peacock pearl metallic. Okay, I think that's going to be enough paint. Just going to give it a little, no, I'm going to let it go its thing. It's still pouring out a little bit. Let it sit for a couple seconds. This guy needs to come this way a bit more. Pull this guy up a little bit. And this guy up a little bit. This guy, I'm going to go this way a bit. Just moving it off to the side a tiny bit. Now I think I'm going to squirt a little bit more white just around the areas here, just to give it a little bit more fluid on there. And I'm going to pull this guy off. And this guy. And this one. All right, let's give it a little torch. Okay, I'm going to move my bottles behind me here, just so I don't knock them over as I pour my canvas. Okay, I'm going to pick this guy up and start moving it around. Sorry if you're seeing the back of the canvas. Just about done. Okay, let's put that down for a sec. See which way we want to move it. I think I need to go this way a little bit. And then this way a little bit. keep the green a little bit even, so I'm gonna bring it back this way some. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Okay, let's give it a torch and see how are my sides doing here. Looks good. This way a little more. Hopefully I've got the sides covered pretty well. I'll take a look at the back side in a minute. Lots of pain on the hands, but well worth it when you get beautiful creations like this. Love the lacing action that's going on right here and on this side. Boy, sometimes these bubbles are a little stubborn, they don't want to come out. There we go. I don't know if you can see all the cell action happening here, but there's lots. See a couple more bubbles I need to get out though. Okay, there we go. There's an open cup pour with 3 different cups on a 12 by 24 canvas with the white acrylic on the base, and I think it turned out wonderful. Thanks very much for watching, everyone.